Hey everybody, it is me, Vincent. It is a beautiful day to be at a water park, a summer in Orlando, and specifically, I am at SeaWorld's Aquatica. I'm trying to visit as many of the big water parks as I can here in Orlando, the big ones that you're gonna wanna visit, and this one here is definitely one of them. I think SeaWorld's Aquatica is probably one of the most, if not the most popular water park for your Orlando visit. It's a really big park, it's a very pretty park. It's got a lot of good stuff going on here. There's gonna be a couple of firsts for me today here at Aquatica. This is gonna be the first time I'm gonna get to experience their newest slide, Tassie's Underwater Twist. I think I got that right. I don't know. It's super cool. It's like an indoor, I don't even know what to call it. The best way to describe a type of slide like this is a toilet bowl slide. It's indoors with like projections. It looks super cool. This is also the first time I'm gonna get to experience this little thing here. I got myself a quick queue pass for the slides here at Aquatica. I've never used like a line skipping service at the parks, and it's summer and I already got here. Like I got here at like 10 o'clock, okay? And this place is already super busy. All the lines are already full for the slides. So I'm happy I have this as someone who's just coming here to try and do a video. So let's see how well it actually works for us. But we're gonna get this party started. I'm gonna put my stuff away and we are gonna head to the brand new ride, Tassie's Underwater Twist. Okay, so the first ride I did was this slide right behind me over here. This is Tassie's Underwater Twister. This one was pretty cool. This was the longest I waited all day for a slide. The quick queue feature wasn't like happening yet. I think it's official. My favorite slides are the toilet bowl slides, and this is probably the coolest of this type of slide that I've ever done. The visuals were really fun, and I don't know, like it's cool when you like slow down for a little bit. It feels like you're getting like a little bit extra of a ride. So I thought this was a really fun experience. This should probably be the first thing you do if you get here. Just in general for Aquatica, especially on like, I'm doing this on a Friday, you should try to be here before the park opens at 10. Don't get here like 10:15 like I did. If you get here and you are like ready to go, like have your car ready to park at like 9:30 waiting for them to open, you'll be good to go. And you can go straight to this slide and kind of get this one out of the way because it does have a pretty long line. I think it's the longest line I've seen all day. Then I did the classic right here at the front of the park as well, the Reef Plunge. This is like the most Aquatica SeaWorld slide they have here. It is a slide that goes through their Commerson exhibit, which I think is like the dolphins, like little dolphins. It's really cool. It's got some really cool visuals as well. I loved that. But I'm gonna keep on rocking. I got some more slides to do. So let's put this guy away and hop on some more slides. Okay, this thing right up here behind me, Ehu's Breakaway Falls, is kind of crazy. It's kind of nuts, okay? I only did the purple slide. I am okay with drop slides, but I need to push myself off. It's got to be like a Blizzard Beach kind of thing, you know? I think I'm comfortable saying that I don't like the floor dropping out from beneath your feet. It's scary, and I want to be the master of my own fate if I'm going to push myself off a 100-foot plus drop or something like that. You know what I mean? I don't like those floor falling out from beneath you sensation. It's not for me. So I did the purple one, which is just as high as the other ones. It was pretty darn fast. I think I'm good on crazy body slides for a minute. Actually kind of gave me a little bit of a headache, but I've got a few more slides that I want to do here, kind of like racer type rides. They have one where you like get on a mat, and then they have, what is going on? Oh, Surf's Up. Sorry, I was like, there's like a big announcement, like, surf's up! And I'm like, what's going on? I'm actually here at the wave pool right now behind me. They're starting the waves. So there's that. But I got 2 more slides to do. One of them is actually one of the newer rides here. It's like a racer's type ride where you go up against another slide, and it seems like it's gonna be really, really cool. So I'm gonna go knock those out. The quick queue has been pretty helpful for the most part, and I'll talk more about that later at the end of the video. I'm losing this race. I am losing. Oh, they're so ahead of me. Oh my gosh. Woo! Yeah, they're smoking me. Woo! Oh, all right. Aquatica does also have a fast river, Roa's Rapids here. You gotta wear a life vest just like all these people here. I'm starting to dry off, so I'm gonna kind of hang out for this one here. But it does look like a lot of fun. Okay, that Reef Racer ride, whatever, the mat ride, the racing ride, that one was really fun. It was all dark until the very end, and as soon as you like see where you are, you're going down the drop. Pretty fun, really quick. The Racers ride, the big one that I wanted to do, Ray Racers, I think is what it's called. I'm not entirely sure with all these water slide names. That was okay. I thought it was gonna be a lot faster. I really like the racing element. There was like parts where you could like go and see the other slide going by, but the other guys were so fast, like they immediately, as soon as they hit the green light, they went. So I didn't really get to partake in much of the race, but if I was with friends, I think that would be a lot of fun. All right, I am done here at Aquatica. I think I've seen everything I need to see. Unrelated to my Aquatica experience, though, you might notice that I hold this little microphone like this, and some of you ask, why do you do that? Well, it sounds better than putting it on my shirt, which is really annoying. But anyway, back to Aquatica. I always get here right when the park opens, so I want to try to get on as many slides as I can, because it gets so busy at these water parks, especially here at Aquatica. It's very, very busy right from the jump. I'm very happy to have had my little quick cue thing that I have on my wrist over here. I think it worked for the most part with a couple caveats. The quick cue was pretty much like self-governed, so you kind of like had to know where you were going, and luckily there were some dividers in the queues, and I think for some rides it worked easier than others. But certain rides that I did, I would have to like cut through people who were sitting on both sides, and I would just have to kind of awkwardly be like, oh, excuse me, I have my quick cue. Excuse me. And then sometimes I'd get up to the platform and it didn't even matter. So I think if you're gonna have the quick cue, it will help a lot, but there is some slight assertiveness involved, okay? You gotta let them know you have a quick queue. I was able to get on all of the slides that I wanted to do today because of that. Today on a Friday, it was $60 for an unlimited use of the quick queue. But with my Florida Platinum Pass, I was actually able to get it for $35. So to me, that was a pretty amazing value, especially to skip the lines because some of these lines were really long. But yeah, there's parts of Aquatica I really enjoy, but I definitely feel like you feel the crowds a lot more in this particular water park than some of the others that I've experienced in my time. And could be a good thing, could be a bad thing. I would definitely recommend getting here right on time, early, and getting some sort of quick queue experience because during the summer, this place is going to get very busy. I think tickets start at about $100 like online, in person. And they do run some deals, like they're doing a Memorial Day week sale where the tickets are like $50. Maybe that explains why it's a little busier in the park than normal. But yeah, I would definitely try to get some sort of like deal on a ticket if you can. But really, honestly, that's kind of all I got to say. I had a fun time here at Aquatica. I really enjoyed all the new slides that I got to see. And yeah, I'm going to get on out of here. Thank you guys for watching another Vincent Vision. I hope you had fun having fun with me. Please, if you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. More water park videos coming in the future. And if you're looking to support me a little extra further, consider joining my Patreon like these wonderful people all around me here. They're very great. It supports me, helps me make better videos in the future, which I think there's going to be some pretty great videos coming in the future, let's just say. But apart from that, it's time to go home. Thank you guys for watching, and see you at the next one. Bye-bye.